Hello everyone, and welcome to the final assignment for Chapter 5 of the Well Intro textbook, focused on the final S ending pronunciation. For this exercise on page 39, the pronunciation log, the first thing I'd like you to do is read each job description and then use context clues to predict what type of word, what part of speech you anticipate you would think would go in each blank. So if you look at the description for number 1, John is an ice cream taster, also called a food scientist. He tastes ice cream and gets paid to do it. What context clues, give you the idea that these two blanks should be filled in with verbs? Perhaps the subject pronoun he. Usually after he, we have a verb. Blank paid, perhaps another verb to go along with that direct object. And what about number 2? See if you can predict what type of word would go in there. Cindy is a personal shopper. If someone blank new clothing but doesn't have time to shop. If someone buys new clothing or wants new clothing, maybe needs new clothing, probably going to be a verb there as well. And I think you're going to find for a lot of these, because there are subjects that go right before, that they're going to be verbs to fill in the blank. So anticipate a little bit what you think each description might include. Have a listen to CD1 track 43, and then go ahead and fill in the blank with the words that you hear. Then when you feel ready, practice a few times. I want you to record a video just like this one, where you're reading the descriptions for each of these, 1 through 4. Pay particular attention to the words in the blanks and the sounds that go right before the final S. The final S. And remember, if that final sound is voiced, let's go back here. The final sound is voiced, that the final S sound will have a Z consonant sound, right? Z, Z.
Z, 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 Z.
If it's voiceless, however, remember no vibration for voiceless. The sound right before, if it's voiceless, then that final S will have an S consonant sound.
S, 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 S.
So if we look at examples of both of those, tastes. That's the last sound you hear before the S. The E is silent. Taste. That's a voiceless consonant sound, so that's why this S is voiceless as well. Gets. Gets. That S is also voiceless because T is voiceless, no vibration. Let's say this word here that's missing is buys. Is buys, the sound right before, is that voiced? Vibration or not voiced? Voiceless, no vibration. Buys, I, buy. I is a voiced vowel sound. So the S is going to be voiced as well. Buys, Z, Z. So hopefully that'll help you. For example, like plays video games. Take a look at that last sound, guys. If it's voiced, then that S letter will be voiced as well with the Z consonant sound. If it's voiceless, then it's a voiceless consonant sound. All right, take a look back in the module just to review, record this video, and congratulations on concluding Chapter 5 of well said.